Welcome back to the puresilverjoy channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a feather pendant at home using silver clay. If you're curious about silver clay jewelry making, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. For today's project, we'll be using 10 grams of silver clay. If you'd like to make a larger feather, simply adjust the amount of clay. First, apply a little hand cream to prevent the clay from sticking to your hands and to reduce fingerprints. Then knead the silver clay thoroughly to remove air bubbles and even out the moisture. Shape it gently into a feather form. Then use needle tools of different thicknesses to carve feather textures. Make the lines a bit deeper to ensure they stay visible after shrinkage during firing. Once the surface is slightly dry, flip it over and repeat the same steps on the back. Let the piece air dry until semi-dry, then lightly sand with a sanding sponge. At this stage, you can deepen the lines with a needle tool and brush off any silver dust. Mark a small point at the top with a needle tool. Then drill a hole with a hand drill. Start with a small drill bit, then widen the hole using a larger bit. Once done, you're ready for firing. Before firing, make sure the piece is completely dry, otherwise, it may crack or burst. You can use a hairdryer, cup warmer, or toaster oven to help with drying. For this project, we fired it in a kiln at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you're using a gas stove, please refer to our gemstone ring tutorial for detailed firing instructions. After firing, brush off the white layer with a steel brush to reveal the clean, shiny silver. To highlight details even more, place the pendant in a diluted liver of sulfur solution for oxidation. The soaking time depends on the strength of the solution. Always use tweezers or gloves, since the solution can irritate skin. Once the pendant darkens, take it out and gently polish with a silver cloth or polishing stick to bring out the textures. And just like that, you've got your feather pendant. Without using traditional metalsmithing techniques, you can still create a piece that's truly personal and unique. If you'd like to try making your own silver clay jewelry, check out our puresilverjoy Etsy shop, where we've prepared beginner-friendly kits with all the basic tools you'll need. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss more tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. We'd also love to see your creations, or hear what projects you'd like us to share next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!